Welcome to Prokaryote World. Today we practice about the top 50 MCQ of history of microbiology with spontaneous generation. Let's start. Who demonstrated that open tube of broth remained free of bacteria when air was free of dust? The right answer is John Tyndall. Bacterial transformation was discovered by. The correct answer is Lederberg and Tatum. The antiseptic method was first demonstrated by. The correct answer is Lord Lister. Next question. The term mutation was coined by. Answer is Hugo de Vries. Next question. Father of medical microbiology is. The correct answer is Robert Koch. Antiseptic method were first introduced by Lord Lister. Antiseptic surgery was discovered by. The correct answer is Louis Pasteur. Phagocytic phenomenon was discovered by. The correct answer is Mechnikov. Hybridoma technique was first discovered by. Kohler and Milston introduced hybridoma technology. Next question is monoclonal antibody are associated with the name of. The correct answer is Burnett. Lederberg and Tatum describe the phenomena of conjugation. Term vaccine was coined by. The correct answer is Louis Pasteur. Next question. Modern concept of chemotherapy was proposed by. The correct answer is Paul Ehrlich. Alform are discovered by Kelly Berger. The causative organism of Rocky Mountain spotted fever was first described by Howard Ricketts and Da Rocha Lima. The transfer of genetic material during transformation is provided basing on Griffith experiment by Avery McLeod and McCarthy. Vibrio cholera was discovered by. The correct answer is Mechnikov. Next question. E.coli was first isolated by. The correct answer is Escherichia. Mycobacterium tuberculosis was first discovered by. The correct answer is Robert Koch. Next question. Mycobacterium leprae was discovered by. The correct answer is Hansen. Streptococcus pneumoniae was isolated by Louis Pasteur. Next question. Bacillus anthracis was isolated by Robert Koch. Staphylococcus aureus was isolated by. The correct answer is Louis Pasteur. Pseudomonas aeruginosa was first named by Schroeder and Gessard. Next question. Treponema pallidum was discovered by Skodin and Hoffman. Neisseria gonorrhea was first described by Pasteur in 1878. Who challenged the theory of spontaneous generation through experiment on decaying meat and maggots? The right answer is Francisco Redi. Which English priest believed that organic matter contained a vital force that could confer the property of life on non-living matter? The correct answer is John Needham. Next question. Who proposed that air carry germ to the culture medium but also committed that the external air might be required for the growth of animal already in the medium? The correct answer is Lazzaro Spallanzani. Who filtered air through a cotton and found that object resembling plant spore had been trapped? The right answer is Louis Pasteur. Who demonstrated that if dust was absent, broth remains sterile even if directly exposed to air? The right answer is John Tyndall. What was the outcome of Reddy's experiment on decaying meat and generation of maggot? The right answer is fly lay their egg on uncovered meat and maggot develop. Next question. Who proposed that microbe could arise from spontaneous generation despite large organism not being able to? The right answer is Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. Next question. What was John Needham's interpretation of his experiment on spontaneous generation? Organic matter contains a vital force that can confer the property of life on non-living matter. Next question. Who improved on Needham's experimental design by first sealing a glass flask that contains water and seeds? The right answer is Leggero Spallanzani. Next question. Who proposed air carry germ to the culture medium but also committed that the external air might be required for the growth of animal already in the medium? The right answer is Leggero Spallanzani. How did Theodore Schwann attempt to counter the argument of the supporter of spontaneous generation? The right answer is by allowing air to enter a flask containing sterile nutrient solution after air had passed through a red hot tube. Next question. Who allow air to enter a flask of heat sterilization medium after it had passed through a sterile cotton wool? The right answer is Theodore von Duss. Next question. Who claimed to have carried out experiment conclusively proving that microbial growth could occur without air contamination? The right answer is Felix Pauchet. Who filtered air through a cotton and found that object resembling a plant spore had been trapped? The right answer is Louis Pasteur. Pass air through a strong acid solution into a boiled infusion to refute spontaneous generation. The right answer is Franz Schulz. Next question. First, to explain that cell divide and that all new cell must come from pre-exciting cell. The right answer is Rudolf Virchow. Discovered Salmonella typhi as a causative agent of typhoid fever. The right answer is Ebert. Who postulated that a disease is produced by invisible living creature? The correct answer is Roger Bacon. Roger Bacon postulated that disease is produced by invisible living creature. Next question. Who published work refuting spontaneous generation using maggot, meat, and wire gauze? The right answer is Francesco Reddy. Next question. So that childbed fever is transmitted by physician and introduce antiseptics. The right answer is Ignaz Philips Semmelweis. Next question. Who developed the Petri dish for culturing bacteria on solid media? The right answer is Richard Petri. Richard Petri developed Petri dish. Next question. Study, cause and transformation of malaria. The right answer is Ronald Ross. Next question. Discovered insulin. The right answer is Frederick G. Banting and John J. R. McLeod. Thank you.